Welcome back to Third Phase of Moon. My name's Blake Cousins, and today we're going to go over incredible video and photographs from Groom Lake, Nevada. Now let's take a look at the video and photographs right now. Was this top secret military stealth aircraft called to intercept the UFO in the air above Area 51? Now let's slow things down and zoom it up 300%. If you've captured anything amazing regarding UFOs, you could contact Third Phase of Moon via Skype or Facebook. My name's Blake Cousins, and we'll see you again next time.